Dear students, today we are taking differences and similarities between pranic order and animal order. That is the comparison between the two orders. So here are some heads on which we are comparing: order, things, activity, innateness, natural characteristics, basic activity, and conformance. First we take pranic order, that is plant order. Things are plants and trees. Activities are composition or decomposition and respiration. Innateness, existence plus growth. Natural characteristics or swabhav. Composition or decomposition and nurture or worsen. Basic activity, recognizing and fulfillment. Conformance is seed conformance. For animal order, things are animal and words. The activity, composition or decomposition, respiration in body and selection in eye. Innateness, existence plus growth in body plus will to live in eye. Natural characteristics, composition or decomposition and nurture or worsen in body and non-cruelty in eye. Now the basic activities: recognizing fulfillment in body while assuming recognizing fulfillment in I, that is self. And the conformance is breed conformance. Now we are comparing all four orders on the basis of their activities and natural characteristics. So here it is the chart: order, things, activity and natural characteristics. Number 1, material order. The things are soil, water, metals, etc. Activity, composition, decomposition. Natural characteristics, composition or decomposition. Pranic order, things are plants and trees. Activities, composition or decomposition and respiration. Natural characteristic, composition or decomposition and nurture or worsen. Third is animal order. Things are animals and birds. Activities are composition or decomposition and respiration in body while selection in eye. Natural characteristics, composition or decomposition and nurture worsen in body and cruelty non-cruelty in eye. For the human order, things are human being. Activities are composition or decomposition and respiration in the body while selection, thought, desire in eye. And natural characteristic, composition or decomposition plus nurture or worsen in body while perseverance, bravery and generosity in eye. Thank you so much.